Barry with FaO&x and I want to talk to you about the tent that we have set up. So let's dive into it. So FaO&x makes winter hot tents that are used to be torn down and put back up quite frequently. These tents are designed to be put up for a few days or even a week or so. Especially if you're doing a multi-location trip, this tent is ideal. It's quite portable. It weighs around 40 pounds. It's made from 4-strand Army duck canvas cotton, which is the strongest cotton you can buy. It gives you very little stretch and it retains its shape. It's treated for flame resistance and mold and mildew resistance as well. And what I love about it most is that it's all made here in the United States. So let's walk around the back and I'll show you a few things. So all our tents come with 10.10 ounce cotton canvas. And they also all come with a stove jack with a cover. We use toggles to close the flap, so if you won't get any moisture or anything when it rains. And untoggle this and roll it up and tie this off, and you can run your stove jack right through it. And all our tents come with a porch that comes down and as your door as well. Let me show you what that looks like. I'll take these off. And just like the other side with the stove jack, these just toggle on and lock themselves. So let's go inside. So this is a 10 by 10 pyramid style, which is square. So without the stove, you could sleep 4 people comfortably each corner, and 1 person would have to sleep in front of the door. With this stove, you would sleep comfortable 3 people. And so with the stove, the jack, the way we have it set up, the stove pipe goes straight up, which doesn't give, it gives you a, it's more optimal for your burn, and you really don't have to worry about wind direction or anything else with the pipe going straight up. Our stitching on our canvas is 4 polyester strands going down each seam, and then seam sealed, and I think that's about it. You have to cut your own pole right now. I'm working with a company called Yobo Gear, and he's sending me some center pipes that are adjustable, so hopefully that will come in soon. So that could be an option if you want to buy one or not. You can set it up this way, or buy the pipe. You can I like this. You can have, there's sticks up here where you can hang your lantern or different stuff like that. But other than that, I'm super excited about getting this in the woods and sharing the experiences with you. So I appreciate it, and check out FaO&xOutdoorGear.com for all your outdoor needs. Thanks, guys.